Embarking on the journey of AP psychology, students venture into the fascinating world of human behavior and mental processes. This subject, rich and diverse in its scope, requires an understanding of the various theoretical approaches that have shaped psychological thought. From the foundational theories of Freud to the cognitive revolution that changed the course of psychology, each perspective offers unique insights into the complexities of human behavior. This guide aims to unravel these theories, making them accessible and engaging, and equipping AP students with the knowledge to excel in their studies. Psychoanalytic perspective. Unlocking the unconscious. The psychoanalytic perspective, pioneered by Sigmund Freud, delves into the depths of the unconscious mind, exploring how our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors are influenced by unconscious motives and conflicts. Freud introduced the idea of the psyche being divided into the id, ego, and superego, each playing a crucial role in shaping behavior. This perspective emphasizes the impact of early childhood experiences and the pivotal role of defense mechanisms in managing internal conflicts. Understanding the psychoanalytic theory is crucial for AP psychology students, as it lays the groundwork for many concepts in psychology and offers a profound understanding of human behavior from a psychological depth perspective. Behavioral perspective. Observing the observable. In contrast to the introspective nature of psychoanalysis, the behavioral perspective, championed by figures like John B. Watson and B. F. Skinner, focuses on observable behaviors and the ways in which they're learned. This approach highlights the role of external stimuli and reinforcements in shaping behavior, introducing key concepts such as classical and operant conditioning. The behavioral perspective provides a scientific methodology for understanding human and animal behavior, emphasizing the importance of empirical evidence and experimentation. Humanistic perspective. Emphasizing human potential. The humanistic perspective emerged as a response to the deterministic views of psychoanalysis and behaviorism, advocating for free will, self-actualization, and the intrinsic goodness of humans. Pioneered by Carl Rogers and Abraham Maslow, this approach focuses on the individual's potential for growth and the importance of self-concept, empathy, and unconditional positive regard in therapy. For AP psychology students, the humanistic perspective sheds light on the motivational forces behind behavior in the quest for personal fulfillment. Cognitive perspective. The thinking human. The cognitive revolution brought a new focus to psychology, emphasizing mental processes such as thinking, memory, language, problem-solving, and decision-making. This perspective explores the intricacies of the mind and how we encode, process, store, and retrieve information. Cognitive psychology intersects with areas like cognitive neuroscience, offering insights into how brain activity is linked to cognitive functions. Understanding the cognitive perspective is essential for AP students, as it addresses the complex processes behind learning, memory, and other aspects of human intelligence. Biological perspective. The brain and beyond. The biological perspective examines the physiological bases of behavior in humans and animals. This approach explores how genes, brain structures, neurotransmitters, and hormonal imbalances influence behavior and mental processes. Developments in technology, such as MRI and PET scans, have enhanced our understanding of the brain's role in psychological functions. For students, the biological perspective is crucial in understanding the interaction between biological processes and psychological phenomena. Evolutionary perspective. Psychology's Darwinian roots. The evolutionary perspective applies the principles of natural selection to explain psychological traits and behaviors. This approach suggests that many human behaviors evolved to solve problems of survival and reproduction, offering insights into why certain behaviors are common across human cultures. Understanding the evolutionary perspective helps AP psychology students appreciate the adaptive value of psychological traits and behaviors in our evolutionary past. Sociocultural perspective. The social context. The sociocultural perspective examines how social, cultural, and environmental factors influence our behavior and thoughts. This approach highlights the impact of cultural norms, values, and expectations on behavior, emphasizing the importance of understanding diversity and the influence of social interactions. For AP students, the sociocultural perspective is invaluable in understanding the role of social context in shaping individual behavior and thought processes. Integrating perspectives. A holistic view. AP psychology encourages students to integrate these perspectives to gain a holistic understanding of behavior and mental processes. No single perspective can fully explain the complexities of human behavior. Instead, A multifaceted approach is necessary to appreciate the various factors that influence our thoughts, feelings, and actions. As we navigate through these theoretical approaches, it's clear that psychology is a dynamic and interwoven discipline, rich in diversity yet unified in its goal to understand the human condition. For AP psychology students, mastering these perspectives not only prepares you for the exam but also equips you with a deeper understanding of human behavior, an invaluable tool for any future endeavor.